I'm thinking of duration of time. So like it could be someone listening to this podcast right now, and they could be pretty early on in their career, and they're hearing you speak, and maybe you're convincing them to like jump on the bandwagon to follow in your footsteps. So my next question is like the longevity, like the time frame. Like how long did it take you to get from, let's say, leaving the military to where you are
Mhm.
right now?
I mean, it took me a while, man. It took me like, I'm gonna be honest, there's coaches popping up every day, right? And like I said, it's not a regulated field. So people pop up. I'm a business coach, I'm a this coach, I'm a that coach. But for me, like I said, in 2017, I started this. I completely stopped doing coaching. I completely stopped doing coaching up until the end of last year. And I did that because I didn't feel like I was in a space to serve with the energy. This is an energy and a heart work field because you really have to love, care, and show empathy to your clients in order to make a change in their lives. Because people can feel your energy, right? If I'm off one day and I'm not serving that person, that could be the difference between their success and their demise.
Hmm.
Right. So I have to be very conscious of that. So when I tell people to do this, I always say do it the right way.
Hmm.
Right. Make sure you don't have to have your house completely in order. Right. No one's perfect. But if you're going to sit here and ask people to share what they are sharing with you because they're going deep, you need to be transparent too, right? People need to see that you don't have it all together either. You're human, right? But they can depend on you because you're showing your vulnerability and you're being honest with them. So now they can be honest with you because it's all about building that rapport. Right? You have to build rapport with people because if you're not walking that walk that you're talking, then no one's going to want to work with you. So that's my thing. Like, be who you are, be authentic. Because if you're trying to serve in a place like this in the coaching space,
Hmm.
you're not authentic, you're not going to last very long. Like, people are going to pick up on that.